Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, we'll explore JSON Web Tokens or JWTs, uncovering their immense potential and the dangers. We'll also talk about the concepts of authentication, authorization, and secure information exchange, all powered by JWTs. So what are JWTs, you may ask? JWTs, an acronym for JSON Web Tokens, are a robust method for securely transmitting information between parties as JSON objects. They've become a cornerstone of web security for several reasons. Number one, lightweight data interchange format. JWTs are based on JSON, making them easy to read, write, and parse for humans and machines alike. Second, three-part structure. JWTs consist of three parties: header, payload, and signature. The header contains token type and algorithm information. The payload holds the actual data to be transmitted, and the signature ensures data integrity. JWTs can be encrypted using JSON web encryption, but most implementations use signed tokens. This means the data is encoded but not encrypted, allowing someone to read it if intercepted. Sensitive information should never travel in a JWT payload unless encrypted first. Signing JWTs is like sealing an envelope with wax stamp to ensure it hasn't been tampered with. There are two main types of signing algorithms. The first one is symmetric algorithms. These use a shared secret key for both signing and verification. Second is asymmetric algorithms. These use a public-private key. The private key signs the token and the public key verifies it. JWTs provide authentication, authorization, and secure information exchange. Upon login, the server creates a signed JWT with the user details and sends it back. The client uses this token to access protected resources by sending it in the HTTP header. So when should you not use JWTs? Number one, to encrypt highly sensitive data. The payload is not encrypted by default, so avoid storing highly sensitive data in it. Two, managing user sessions. JWTs are not ideal for managing user sessions as they are stateless. Revoking JWT access can be challenging. Let's also talk about some common vulnerabilities. The first is token hijacking. An attacker steals a valid JWT to impersonate a user. Second is cryptographic weaknesses. Vulnerabilities in hashing algorithms can be exploited to crack token signatures. Let's also talk about best practices. So what are some of the best practices when you're using the JWTs? Number one, keep payloads compact, which means include only the necessary data claims. Second, use short expiration times. Revoke tokens quickly if compromised. Third, store tokens securely. Mitigate theft and unauthorized access. Use strong signature algorithms. Protect data integrity. So, in conclusion, what are we talking about? JWTs offer a scalable way to handle authentication, authorization, and information exchange. However, careful implementation is crucial to prevent potential security risks. JWTs can be a powerful tool when used wisely. If you learned something, leave a like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have a question, and we'll see you in the next one.